What's up, guys? Little Zippa here, back at it again with a new song. This one's going into my mixtape. Hope y'all enjoy. It's a real fire mix. Alright, let's go. I'm in the hood with my homies. We got Glocks on the ROPS. The ROPS are real shaky. We got Glocks on the ROPS. They better watch their backs, cuz we got Glocks on the ROPS. Their ends are real snaky. We got Glocks on the ROPS. Glocks on the ROPS. We got Glocks on the ROPS. Glocks on their ROPS. We got Glocks on their ROPS. You can't run nowhere, little homie, trying to get out the hood. You got nowhere to go, so you better not run. We got Glocks on the ROPS. We got Glocks on the ROPS. We got Glocks on the ROPS.